Welcome to The Sacred Botanical, a weekly blog and podcast dedicated to alternative culture, psychedelics and herbalism.
Psychedelics can rewire your brain and improve neuroplasticity. In recent years, the study of psychedelic drugs and their impact on the brain has seen a resurgence in the medical and scientific fields. The psychedelic experience, often associated with mystical and mind-altering encounters, has been proven to have profound effects on neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to adapt, rewire, and form new connections. This blog explores the conscious expanding realm of psychedelics, their effect on neuroplasticity, and their potential therapeutic applications, including the treatment of conditions like post-traumatic stress disorder, PTSD, and treatment-resistant depression. Over the past decade, psychedelic research has made significant strides. Prominent institutions like the University of California, as well as research teams worldwide, have conducted clinical trials to investigate the therapeutic benefits of psychedelic substances, such as magic mushrooms, containing psilocybin and lysergic acid diethylamide, LSD. These studies aim to understand how psychedelics influence brain function at a molecular and cellular level. In an act set to be the catalyst for extreme social change, the U.S. Food and Drug Administration referred to psilocybin as a breakthrough medicine. At this point, the data suggest that the potential therapeutic benefits of psilocybin-assisted therapy are real and of potential medical and public health significance. Dr. Matthew W. Johnson, Ph.D., Professor of Psychiatry and Behavioral Sciences at Johns Hopkins. Before diving into the specifics, let's explore the concept of neuroplasticity. Neuroplasticity refers to the brain's remarkable capacity to adapt and change over time. It involves structural changes in the brain, such as the formation of new connections between neurons and the growth of dendritic spines, tiny protrusions on the surface of nerve cells. These structural changes are essential for learning, memory, and overall cognitive function. When someone's on psilocybin, we see an overall increase in connectivity between areas of the brain that don't normally communicate well. You also see the opposite of that. Local networks in the brain that normally interact with each other quite a bit suddenly communicate less. Dr. Matthew W. Johnson, Ph.D., is Professor of Psychiatry and Behavioral Sciences at Johns Hopkins. Recent studies have shown that psychedelics can have a profound impact on neuroplasticity. Individuals who engage in microdosing of psychedelics tend to exhibit reduced levels of anxiety and depression when compared to those who do not microdose. Typical psychedelics like psilocybin and LSD interact with serotonin receptors in the brain, leading to a cascade of effects that ultimately enhance neuroplasticity. Here's how they do it. At a molecular level, psychedelics promote structural plasticity by increasing the density of dendritic spines on cortical neurons. This increase in spine density allows for the formation of new connections between brain cells, facilitating improved brain function and adaptability. Psychedelics also modulate serotonin receptors, particularly the 5-HT2A receptor. This modulation plays a critical role in enhancing neuroplasticity. It is thought that these substances temporarily disrupt the brain's default mode network, DMN, leading to altered thinking and perception. This can result in profound mystical experiences and personal insights. One of the most promising aspects of psychedelic research is the rapid antidepressant effects observed in clinical studies. In the treatment of patients with major depressive disorder and treatment-resistant depression, a single dose of psilocybin or LSD has shown significant positive change. This suggests that psychedelics may work by rapidly rewiring the brain's neural circuits associated with mood regulation. Clinical research has extended beyond depression, exploring the utility of psychedelics in the treatment of various neuropsychiatric disorders. Studies have shown positive changes in individuals suffering from anxiety disorders, obsessive-compulsive disorder, OCD, and chronic stress. These substances offer a different way to address mental health conditions, potentially providing new hope for those who have not responded to traditional treatments. Depressed people are continually self-critical, and they keep ruminating, going over and over the same negative, anxious, or fearful thoughts. Psychedelics disrupt that, which is why people can suddenly see a way out of their depression during the trip. Critical thoughts are easier to control, and thinking is more flexible. That's why the drug is an effective treatment for depression. David Nutt, director of the Neuropsychopharmacology Unit in the Division of Brain Sciences at Imperial College London. Recent studies have unveiled some of the molecular mechanisms responsible for psychedelic-induced neuroplasticity. One of the key pathways involves the mTOR pathway, which regulates cellular processes like protein synthesis and DNA replication. Activation of this pathway by psychedelics may contribute to the growth of new brain connections. Animal models and brain organoids, an artificially grown mini-organ, have played a crucial role in advancing our understanding of how psychedelics impact neuroplasticity. These studies allow researchers to examine the cellular and molecular effects of psychedelics in controlled environments, providing valuable insights into their mechanisms of action. Human studies have provided essential information about the effects of psychedelics on the cognition of healthy individuals. Participants in controlled experiments have reported enhanced creativity, new skills, and altered ways of thinking after psychedelic experiences, emphasizing the potential for personal growth and development. According to scientists and researchers, psychedelic substances have shown the remarkable capacity to stimulate the growth of new dendrites in brain neurons. These dendrites, which bear a striking resemblance to the branches of a tree, play a pivotal role in enhancing communication between brain cells. Dendrites are critical components of neurons that receive signals and information from neighboring neurons, transmitting these messages throughout the intricate neural network of the brain. When dendritic growth is stimulated, it results in an intricate web of connections within the brain, allowing for more efficient and enhanced communication among neurons. This phenomenon, known as dendritic plasticity, is particularly significant as it can lead to improvements in cognitive function, learning, memory, and overall brain plasticity. The growth of new dendrites essentially expands the neural pathways and connections within the brain, enabling it to adapt and process information more effectively. Recent studies have suggested that the interaction between psychedelic substances and serotonin receptors, especially the 5-HT2A receptor, triggers a cascade of events that culminate in dendritic growth. This process can be seen as a form of structural plasticity, where the brain undergoes physical changes in response to external stimuli or substances. Furthermore, the effects of psychedelics on dendritic growth may contribute to their therapeutic potential in the treatment of various mental health conditions. By fostering new connections and pathways within the brain, these substances have the potential to reshape thought patterns, improve mood, and provide relief from mental health conditions. Research in this field is continually evolving, and understanding the precise mechanisms behind how psychedelics induce dendritic growth is an area of active investigation. Nonetheless, these findings offer exciting prospects for the potential therapeutic applications of psychedelic substances and underscore their ability to enhance neural communication, ultimately contributing to our understanding of the profound impact these compounds can have on the human brain. In conclusion, the recent resurgence of psychedelic research is shedding new light on the brain's ability to adapt and rewire. Psychedelics like psilocybin and LSD have shown remarkable potential in enhancing neuroplasticity, leading to structural changes in the brain and rapid therapeutic effects. As the utility of psychedelics continues to be explored in clinical trials and systematic reviews, they may become an effective treatment option for various mental health conditions, opening a new door to the treatment of patients suffering from pathological conditions. As we embark on this exciting journey of discovery, it's crucial to remember that psychedelics should only be used under the guidance of trained professionals in controlled settings. The psychedelic experience is a powerful tool that, when harnessed responsibly, can improve mental health, boost creativity, and contribute to our understanding of the human mind. The Sacred Botanical is a weekly blog/podcast focused on alternative culture, psychedelics, and herbalism. We are dedicated enthusiasts of advancements in the health industry. We are not only seekers and practitioners of wellness knowledge, but also artists, gamers, mycologists, cosmonauts, and share a passion for humanity shaping culture and occultism. Our mission is to provide a safe space where we can document and share our knowledge on these topics. Through our weekly blog posts, we aim to create a vibrant community of like-minded individuals who share our passion and curiosity. Together, we can learn, grow, and explore the realms of wellness and personal development. By signing up for our email list, you'll gain exclusive access to our latest content, updates, and special offers. Don't worry, we value your privacy and promise not to bombard your inbox with unwanted messages. We also welcome collaborations with brands that align with our vision and individuals who are eager to contribute to our blog/podcast. If you have a partnership proposal or wish to share your unique insights, ideas, or experiences, please don't hesitate to reach out to us at thesacredbotanical@gmail.com. Join us on this exciting journey of discovery and transformation. Let's explore the sacred realms of botanical wisdom and foster a community of knowledge sharing and personal growth. Stay connected, stay enlightened. The Sacred Botanical Team.